Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make my hair growth oil that I've been using under my wigs for the past couple of weeks. So we're just going to get straight into the video.
Alright, so to get started, we're going to have olive oil as our base. Olive oil nourishes the scalp, conditions the hair, and improves elasticity. And next, we're going to have rosemary. This is dried rosemary, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Then we're going to have green tea with ginger. So green tea, it's rich in antioxidants, and ginger helps promote hair follicles, promote hair growth. If you guys want to read any of these, you can definitely pause the video. So then we have brahmi powder, which can help reduce dandruff. Bring powder, which stimulates the hair follicles and is also anti-inflammatory. And we have hibiscus, which is actually proven to grow hair. It improves blood circulation. And then we're gonna have fenugreek seeds, or methy seeds, which also is very high in protein and combats hair fall. And lastly, we're just gonna have everyone's favorite Jamaican black castor oil. So then I just bring everything over to my stove with this bowl, and I'm using the boiler method, so I have hot water underneath my bowl, just boiling, and then I'm gonna put all my ingredients in this bowl. So I'm starting out with the olive oil, and I just kind of eyeball it. And then next I'm gonna throw in my Jamaican black castor oil, and I didn't have that much left, so I just poured it all in there. And then we're gonna go in with our green tea, and basically I just took the string off of the tea bag, and then I stapled the top so that all the stuff wouldn't come out. And then I'm going in with the rosemary, and so for the rest of these ingredients, I'm basically doing a half teaspoon of every ingredient that I'm using next. So once I'm done putting all of the ingredients in, I did add a little bit more olive oil. I just go ahead and stir it up with like a spatula or whatever. So what you want to do is you want to come back periodically and stir this. And you're also going to have to replace the water, which you'll see me do eventually. But I left mine on the stove for about 3 hours. And I did turn the heat down, so it wasn't boiling that much. But I left it on for like 3 hours. And I've heard people leave this on for like 10 hours or something like that. But I don't. I just left it on for 3 hours. So then once the 3 hours were up, I put them into this. I put everything in the mason jar. Everything, the powders, the seeds, the tea bag, it's all in the mason jar. And I'm gonna leave my mason jar in like a cool place out of the sun for 24 hours at least. That's what I recommend to do, to let everything like seep. And yeah. So once the 24 hours are up, this is how it looks like. All the rosemary's at the top. And then this is my applicator bottle that I probably got from the supply store, and it still has a little bit from my last batch in there. But I'm just going to take my funnel, and this is like a stocking, like a pantyhose that I cut a square out of to use to like strain out the seeds and the rosemary and stuff like that. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into my applicator bottle. And that's basically the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see how I used this hair growth oil in another video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I know it's kind of hard for some people to do DIY oils like this, but it's actually not that expensive because I didn't use very expensive products. So if you're looking for hair growth oil, I definitely recommend this one because I really like it. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.